In this video, I'll show you how to open your TikTok app on mute. So if you want to open up your TikTok app on mute, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on Profile at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, you want to find Content and Display section. Scroll down until you see Playback. Tap on it. And now from here, you can go ahead and select if you want to open up TikTok on mute. So currently I've set it as yes. So if you toggle the switch to the left hand side, this will open up TikTok with the volume on. If you toggle the switch to the right hand side, this will open up TikTok on mute. As it reads, videos will be muted by default when you open up TikTok. To unmute the video, go ahead and tap on this icon here at the bottom right, or use your volume control to put the volume up. So there you go. That is how to open up TikTok on mute. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.